Okay, and here we are, T-minus 11 minutes till Breakfast with Santa, December 2016. And what I want to do is show you a little bit about snow. As you can see, this is called weatherstreet.com, states GFSX, forecast HTEM. And what it does, it gives me a 10-day view of highs and lows. Remember, highs, clear skies, cooler temperatures. So in winter, that's the death cold. And you can actually see this high is going way down south, and this is the reason why today, actually especially this morning, was really cold, and maybe by later in the weekend, early next week it may be also. The lows actually produce the clouds, so there should be some lows out here. There's a nice one right there, also a nice one right there. This is the one that actually brought rain in a couple days ago. But what I'm going to do is I'm just going to sweep through here, and you can see the lows move across. So there looks like there's some rain. This is valid for Monday, 12 Zulu, which is real early Monday morning. And it moves off. Another one comes in, and that actually looks like it's a pretty good direction for snow for us. But we'll find out that on the 15th it's not going to be snow. And then you can see another one comes through, but it doesn't really amount to much, and then we're 10 days, and that's as far as this model goes. Now I'm going to go to Pivotal Weather. This is the GFS, and you can actually pick different models by clicking this, and I will show you some of these later on, but I'm going to stick with the GFS for right now. I actually down into winter weather. I'm down into snowfall at a 10-to-1 ratio, so 10 inches of snow from 1 inch of rain. It can be a little higher than that for fluffy. It can be a lot less than that for really wet snow, and I'm under total accumulation. So basically what it's showing here is snow, and it's going to stay there rather than what disappears. So we're 0-100, so this is actually on the 9th, which is today. Actually, is today the 9th or the 8th? I think I didn't change the calendar. Today is the 9th, and it is valid for Friday, December 9th at 12Z, so this is actually this morning. And if I go through, you can see it goes in 3-hour increments, but if you watch it, as those lows move across the country, so does the snow. Moves a little bit north of us, and this is for Tuesday. Here comes the Thursday storm, and you can see it's a little north of us, although we do get a little snow in, if I can get through, we get a little snow in southeastern Virginia, right there. So if you live in like Virginia Beach, you may get some snow, but we're right here. And then the other storm comes through, goes north, and then there's another storm coming out of Texas, and I can't see what it is because I'm actually 384 hours into the future. I am, if I can get through here without going through it, I'm actually Sunday next week. So this is actually, this is Christmas. So I'm a couple weeks into advance. 384 divided by 12, that's more than a week away. Actually, it's about a week away. But anyway, if you take a look at it, you can see we go from Friday to the next Friday to the next Friday, so it's 2 weeks and a couple of days into the future. And probably when I come back on Monday, I can actually look more about this model, and if it actually comes through here, and if we can get cool enough temperatures. I would actually show you temperatures too, but my internet here at school is not acting the way it should. But if we actually keep this cold air over us, we'll actually get nice cool ground temperatures, and whatever does fall could stick. So maybe we'll have a white Christmas after all. But I don't see any snow before Christmas break, and let's hope for January. All right, thank you.